What makes Factory Physics one of the most important books you'll ever read? Let's find out. At its heart, this book challenges everything you thought you knew. The author opens with a startling revelation that changes how we see everyday behavior. The mechanism is surprisingly simple. Small habits compound into massive results over time. Once you understand this, you can apply it to any area of your life starting today. But there's more beneath the surface, patterns most people miss entirely. Studies reveal that 90% of our daily decisions happen on autopilot. It's like a river carving a canyon, the path deepens with every single pass. The payoff, when you master this, you gain control over outcomes most people leave to chance. So how do you actually put this into practice in your real life? Start with one tiny behavior so small it seems ridiculous. That's the point. Think of it like a flywheel. Almost zero energy to start, then momentum builds on itself. Within weeks, you'll notice changes you never thought possible from such small beginnings. Here's your action step from Factory Physics. Pick one tiny habit, do it today, and watch what happens. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.